how to verify your ID on id.me account. Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can verify your ID on id.me. In order to do that, first of all, you need to sign in into your id.me account. You can either use an application or you can use a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. If you're using a web browser, then you'll have to type in the link that is id.me, and that's going to direct you to the official web page. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page. Then you have to locate your profile icon. After that, go to account settings. While you're on the account settings page, for an option that says verify your ID. Once you tap on verify your ID, then it's going to ask you to select the method how you actually want to verify your ID. Now you must go ahead and take a picture using a smartphone or upload an image of your document from the device, and accordingly you need to go ahead and follow the prompt, and that's basically how you can verify your ID on id.me. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.